Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you tips to get the godly pollinated mutation in the BCB update and grow a garden game of roblox. This is one of the best pollination variants in the event because it gives you way more honey coins compared to normal pollinated plants. So let's get started. First, of course, you need the bees. Without bees, you cannot get the pollinated mutation. And the best way to increase your chances is by getting more bees and using the higher rarity bees. Let me go to the egg shop. Okay, and rare and mythical bees have much better pollination quality and can help you get higher tier mutation. So I would like to recommend you to buy the rare bee egg or mythical bee egg. So your possibility to get the godly pollinated mutation will be higher. And next, you want to plant a lot of crabs in your honey garden. The more crabs you have, the more chances your bees have to pollinate something. And tomatoes are one of the best plants for grinding because they grow quickly and give you more pollination opportunities. And now here's the important part. When your bees pollinate crops, the mutation can have different quality levels, guys. There are poor, fair, good, and the last one is godly pollinated mutation. And godly is the rarest version. And to improve your chances of getting godly pollinated plants, you should use more bees, use better rarity bees, upgrade your bee speed, upgrade bee capacity in the upgrade tree, keep your garden full at all times. And I'm still working on it. The faster your bees pollinate, the more chances you have to roll a godly mutation. Okay guys, and that's all the tips to get the godly pollinated mutation in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!